Nucypher is a cryptographic system that gives a security and protection layer for decentralized applications and public blockchain networks. Nucypher empowers designers to store, share, and oversee private information across various blockchains while allowing engineers to delegate data across a few applications. Nucypher is an Ethereum-based network that includes a decentralized key administration framework, encryption, and access control administration that settle the issues of putting away and controlling data. The enterprises, for example, banking and medical services areas that arrangement with a gigantic volume of subtleties influence the upsides of Nucypher security encryption frameworks. The Nucypher network was helped to establish by Michael Igorov and Maclane Wilkeson in 2015. The two primary innovation administrations given by Nucypher incorporate unique access control and mystery of the executives. Dynamic access control restrictively awards and denies admittance to delicate information, while secret administration framework stores touchy data like passwords and confidential keys. This is accomplished with the assistance of Umbral and Ursula. Previous is the encryption plan of Nucypher and later is an organization of working hubs. Umbral assists with keeping the information secretly and share it without gambling with its security. Here the proprietors will furnish decoding freedoms to the collectors with the assistance of intermediary hubs. This intermediary hub is called Ursula, which plays out the re-encryption for the beneficiaries. Ursula doesn't approach information, however they perform encryption by applying conditions. Ursula staked new to continue with network exercises and get recently mined tokens. How does the Nucypher organize work? In the main stage, a proprietor can scramble information with the public key and transfer it to shared conveyed document frameworks like IPFS, Multitude, or some other stockpiling layer to store and share content across decentralized networks. Proprietors need to make and transfer re-encryption keys to the Nucypher organization to dole out admittance to substantial beneficiaries. In the subsequent stage, Ursula acknowledges the re-encryption keys in return for expenses and block rewards. Ursula, a digger, will rekey information. Neither the stockpiling layer nor Ursula approaches plain text. In the third stage, the beneficiary passes an entrance solicitation to the Nucypher organization. On the off chance that a substantial re-encryption key exists, information will be rekeyed to the beneficiary's public key, and the beneficiary is permitted to regrave it with the confidential key. Elements of Nucypher organization. Nucypher was framed to determine the issues of public key encryption frameworks, like the SSL, TLS in web applications, and why Cypher is turning into an unavoidable piece of decentralized applications. Nucypher convention fundamentally includes three significant components. Right off the bat, staker hubs wherein Nu can be secured in the marking escrow for a length. The locking of Nu will produce two kinds of remunerations, expansion reward Nu and strategy reward ETH. Also, the specialist hub called Ursula helps hold cryptographic tasks. At long last, Umbral intermediary re-encryption, a key encryption type, gives access control to conveyed conventions. Together the organization jelly data from assaults and spamming. Nucypher specialized examination. The authentic value diagram of Nucypher is fascinating. Nucypher took off essentially on October 15, 2021, on the event of the main commemoration of the coin. The consolidation news from the group reinforced the flood. The white paper of Nucypher was distributed in 2017, and the token began exchanging 2020. After the new cost flood, the market valuation of the coin climbed multiple billion USD, and it was a similar period altcoin market cap contacted around $2 billion. Moreover, after this Nucypher cost made a spike, the interest for new coins in the digital currency market expanded. Financial backers are pondering the explanation for the Nucypher digital money rush. The new cost activity had occurred around the same time when the coin was recorded with Upbit, one of the well-known digital money trades in Korea. Nucypher cost today is exchanging at 48 cents with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $46,651,755.09. The market cap is $342,736,514.25, with a circling supply of 703 million Nu. The everything time high is set apart at $3.58 on October 15, 2021. The untouched low is 6 cents, which was on NOV 2020. The ongoing cost is around 79%, not exactly the most exorbitant cost. And it is because of the selling tension after the record-breaking high. Overflowing interest has gradually gone to a pullback in costs. The present cost and volume plunge contrasted with the earlier days. Specialized examination of Nucypher Nu shows that, following 1 year of sideways moves, Nu has abruptly soared and was moved by tremendous volume in October. The candle's initial cost of Nucypher was 28 cents. And the end cost of Nucypher was $1.40. Much more, October 2021 was the month when the BTC and altcoin market was extra strong, and the crypto market saw a colossal market cap appreciation. Consequently, many coins raised to an unsurpassed high. Nucypher new cost uncovered a disappearing negative energy on the everyday outline by making more promising low points. There is a dropping example in the pattern line, as displayed in the diagrams. However, financial backers have trust for the coin's future. They haven't begun aggregating the symbolic now because of the new cost sink. Specialized investigation demonstrates Nucypher new settled beneath the center line of the Bollinger Band, and the Bollinger Band is pressing. On equilibrium, volume marker was in a downtrend. It has moved evenly for the last week. The distinction between the opening and shutting new cost of the flame is extremely low. And exchanging volume cozy. As a matter of fact, swing merchants are likewise losing interest in Nucypher new. At the hour of composing, new exchanged on the turn. Prompt help is set at 44 cents, and any Nucypher cost drop from this might look for help at 42 cents. Beneath 42 cents, brokers can sell Nucypher, and it will contact 39 cents. On the opposite side, close by obstruction is set at 55 cents, and there is an opposition after that at 70 cents. The significant obstruction is put at 80 cents. According to our Nucypher conjecture, a drawn-out expansion in the worth is expected. The cost gauge for the year 2027 recommends the worth may be around $1.99. Putting resources into new virtual monetary standards could turn out to be an incredible expansion to your portfolio. In a 5-year conjecture, according to our examination and forecasts, the most extreme cost is supposed to be $8.69 with a base exchanging esteem, and the typical exchanging cost to be roughly $7.14 and $7.35. According to TNL's Nucypher estimates, the most extreme cost for 2022 will be 64 cents with a typical cost of 58 cents. The momentary Nucypher cost expectation looks bullish. Nucypher value expectations 2022 to 2026. It was a beneficial year for new holders who carried the token to its entrance state. Nucypher is still in its beginning phases since it was sent off in 2020. Up to this point, the coin has given great revisitations of financial backers, and the future Nucypher gauge is bullish. As we found in the specialized examination, on the off chance that Nucypher can break the opposition level, the cost won't fall according to the Nucypher cost gauge. How about we find more subtleties on Nucypher new cost expectation for the long haul to know how the costs are moving consistently? Nucypher value expectation 2022. New coin value forecast is expected to start at 80 cents. The future cost might tumble to 65 cents toward the finish of 2022. Thus, the typical cost is anticipated at 63 cents. Nucypher coin forecast 2023. Nucypher crypto cost forecast conjecture beginning at 70 cents. New value forecast is progressively going up and is supposed to hit 87 cents inside the primary quarter. Nucypher coin cost forecast predict an end at 74 cents continuously in. Nucypher value forecast 2024. Nucypher forecasts are expected to open at 85 cents and proceed